Hi, thank you for buying my project. Today I will take you through the customization of this project. It's pretty simple and there are a few texts to change and those we have mentioned over here. We have two comps over here. One is New Year logo and one is Christmas logo. So these are the two things we can render it out, and this is a Happy New Year one, which is this one, and the next Happy New Year is the second one. So then we have this logo thing over here. This is the same one, so even if you want to, you can change it. So the other thing is, let's see how we will change the text. So as a comp thing, we have only three comps, and we have not mentioned anything like Merry Christmas comp over here. So actually that comes into a path text. So for that you have to just click on the Merry Christmas text layer and go to effect controls. If that effect control is not shown, you can just go here and click the effect controls, and once it opens you can see like be this mode. Then if you want to edit text, just edit text over here, and if you want to change it, you can change it this way. And for the font thing, you can select any font, whichever you are like. You can see here you can change the font, and if you want any alignment or margin, baseline shift or anything, you can use it over here. See, can increase the size, can decrease the tracking, or even kerning you can change. So we have many adjustments. So you can make it center. So the next is Happy New Year. Once this is done, we have an Happy New Year over here. New Year. So you can see, you come over here and see, so wish Happy New Year. This text also you can, the font you can change, whichever font you want, whichever you like, whatever this might be. So here you can see, then this logo thing you can change here. Your site, my website. Okay, so this is the thing. So anyway, these are done. The same way it's over here also. Here we have only one Happy New Year thing. It has that pulsating effect for that music. You can switch off if you don't want. For that you need to go to here and make this is the thing. So here too, if you want, you can change it. It's going outside, so maybe we need to pull this guy a bit inside. Okay, so this way you can change the text, and same thing your website. So That is the customization of these two comps. And yeah, you have more controls. It doesn't finish here. You have a color control over here. Click on the color control and you can see this. We have background color, highlight color, main text 2, this main text 1 is this happy holidays or merry Christmas one, and then the new year logo text is the main text 2. So then what we have here is subtext color on these two text, and also we have an invert color which I'll show you. So first background color, you can see we can change it accordingly. Select over here with the preview. So you can change the color. Which we find best. Okay, then we have this highlight color, which is these things. So you can either choose the same color or maybe a bit, you can just highlight a little more. Okay, so you have this highlight color, and we have as main text one. Happy holidays. You can change that also, and also we have this smaller subtext one. We don't have main text 2 over here. That is for the next version, means new year logo version. And this one is also changeable. Okay, and the next for this invert color will come back, and I will show you this new year logo thing. And here when you come over here, this effect control for the control panel disappears. So what you need to do is just click on the color control, just click on the lock so that it's showing this lock thing. Then you come back over here, and you can adjust the main text color. See, as it's a different composition, it doesn't show the preview, but once you select a color and just click on it, it will updates. So the other two color, the one color is the same, the subtext color. So this is how you can change the font colors and the background color. And the other one is, if you don't want this total black thing, and if you want something like if you have selected a background color which is quite dark, so if what you do, so for that thing we have this invert color thing. So you just invert it. Yes, it just inverts the background color, but you can just preview on it, and it will give the quite opposite color of the one you have selected. So you can see, you can get a preview over here, so it's easy for you to get the best one. You can just go for the best color over here, and then click OK. So what we have is a pretty decent thing. Okay, if you don't want highlight color, you can just select the same thing. You get reflected over there, and look at that. It looks amazing, beautiful. So even text subtext colors, you can change it. You can go for the if you go for a black, it will give a white, and anything like pinkish, keep on the dark thing, and you'll get something opposite to it. See here, I want to go for a dark, light. So this is the other way of getting a more customized looks. So you can get around infinite number of looks. So you can keep on playing whichever you like, and the same thing reflects over here also. Okay, but maybe one thing quite difficult is this fellow's color. If you select a dark one, you get a lighter here. So if you don't want that, switch it off. See over. Okay, so that is the thing, and the audio which I mentioned in the link perfectly suits it, and you can just import the audio, put it over here, and just check whether where it starts, and play. Take a preview. Okay, so that is the thing, and once you are satisfied with customization, click on the composition, make movie, select your codec, select your path, and hit render, and then the next one, new your logo, the same way, make movie, select your codec, remember to switch on the audio if you have audio, and then the path, and you can hit render, start rendering out. It's pretty fast, so not take much time, and so need any help, just write to me. Thank you for watching.